Hey guys, welcome to Lognews. Today I'll be showing you how to uninstall or delete an app from your iPhone, and let's start right into the video now. To delete an app from your iPhone, all you need to do is tap and hold the application which you want to delete from your iPhone like this. For example, I'll be deleting the TikTok application. Tap and hold it for a second and this kind of pop-up will appear and you will be able to remove your app from over here. You can see on the downside screen there is the remove app, or let's go back, or when the tap, all these apps start wiggling until you hold it. And you can see when all these apps start wiggling by tapping and holding the application, the minus sign will be available on the top left corner of each application. Tap on the minus sign of the application which you want to delete and tap on delete app, and again tap on delete, and that application will be deleted from your iPhone. And guys, this is how you delete your application on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.